Hello, and welcome to this video on how to develop self-discipline, a step-by-step guide. Have you ever set a goal for yourself, but found it challenging to stick to it? Maybe you've been meaning to start a new exercise routine, or perhaps you're trying to cut back on your spending, but you find yourself slipping back into old habits time and time again. It's not uncommon to struggle with self-discipline. In fact, many people find it difficult to stay committed to their goals, especially when they involve changing long-standing habits. But the good news is that self-discipline is a skill that can be developed and strengthened over time. And in this video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step guide to help you do just that. Self-discipline is the ability to control your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in order to achieve a goal. It's a crucial skill to have if you want to make progress in your personal or professional life. Throughout this video, we'll be discussing what self-discipline is, why it's important, and most importantly, how you can develop it in a practical and actionable way. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and start achieving your goals, let's dive right in. Define self-discipline. Now that we've discussed the importance of self-discipline, let's define what it actually means. Self-discipline is the ability to control one's behavior in order to achieve a desired outcome. It involves setting a goal and then making a conscious effort to work towards the goal, even when faced with obstacles, distractions, or temptations. Self-discipline is a crucial component of success in any area of life, whether it be personal or professional. It's what sets apart those who are able to achieve their goals from those who struggle to make progress. So why is self-discipline so important? Well, for starters, it allows you to overcome procrastination, which is a major barrier to achieving your goals. It also helps you build good habits, which can lead to long-term success. And perhaps most importantly, self-discipline helps you stay committed to your goals even when faced with setbacks or challenges. In the next section, we'll be discussing a step-by-step guide for how you can develop self-discipline in your own life. So stay tuned and let's get started. Step-by-step guide. In the previous section, we defined self-discipline and discussed its importance. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide for how to develop self-discipline in your own life. Step 1. Define your goals. The first step in developing self-discipline is to define your goals. What is it that you want to achieve? Be specific and clear about your goals and write them down. By having a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you'll be able to stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Create a plan. Once you've defined your goals, create a plan for how you're going to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and create a timeline for when you want to achieve each step. By having a plan in place, you'll be able to stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Step 3. Practice self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to understand your own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It's an important skill to have when developing self-discipline. By being aware of your own patterns and behaviors, you'll be able to identify and overcome obstacles that may be hindering your progress. Step 4. Remove distractions. Distractions can be a major obstacle when it comes to developing self-discipline. Identify any distractions in your life and take steps to remove them. This could mean turning off your phone during certain times of the day or finding a quiet place to work without interruptions. Step 5. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is an important part of developing self-discipline. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. By taking care of your physical and emotional well-being, you'll be better equipped to stay focused and motivated. Step 6. Practice delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is the ability to resist immediate rewards in order to achieve a long-term goal. It's an important skill to have when developing self-discipline. By learning to delay gratification, you'll be able to stay committed to your goals even when faced with tempting distractions. Step 7. Hold yourself accountable. Finally, it's important to hold yourself accountable for your actions. Set up systems of accountability, such as telling a friend or family member about your goals or tracking your progress in a journal. Additional tips. While the steps we just went over are essential for developing self-discipline, there are some additional tips that can help you along the way. Tip 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to better control your thoughts and emotions, which can help you stay focused and motivated. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can be particularly helpful for developing self-discipline. Tip 2. Celebrate small victories. It's important to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. When you achieve a small goal, take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate it. Celebrating small victories can help you stay motivated and build momentum towards your larger goals. Tip 3. Find an accountability partner. Having someone else to hold you accountable can be a powerful motivator. Find someone who shares your goals and values and ask them to be your accountability partner. Your accountability partner can check in with you regularly, offer support and encouragement, and help you stay on track. Tip 4. Practice self-forgiveness. Developing self-discipline is a journey, and it's natural to experience setbacks along the way. When you do slip up, practice self-forgiveness. Remember that setbacks are a normal part of the process and use them as an opportunity to learn and grow. By following these additional tips, you can enhance your self-discipline and achieve your goals. Conclusion. Developing self-discipline is essential if you want to achieve your goals and reach your full potential. By following the step-by-step guide we've outlined and incorporating the additional tips we've discussed, you can begin to develop the self-discipline necessary to make lasting changes in your life. Remember that developing self-discipline is a process that takes time and effort. But with persistence and commitment, you can build the self-discipline necessary to achieve your goals and live the life you want. Thank you for watching this video on how to develop self-discipline. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.